Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, you will learn on how to fix 1010 app not working or connecting. So first and foremost, when you click on the 1010 app on your device, so let's open my 1010 app first and check if it is working properly. So as you can see, my application is working. Now, if you click on this gear icon or the settings at the top left hand corner of your screen, you would be able to see these different options. Okay, so it means that this application is working properly. Now, if you are having trouble or your application is not working properly, next is you have to go to your app store. And then using the search bar is you have to search for 1010 app. And then you have to check if you have the latest version of the application, because one of the main reason that the 1010 app is not working properly, or just, you can see the connecting option, it means that you did not download the latest version of the app. So to do that, you just have to click on update if you can see any. Then after that, when you go back to your Tenton application, you can now start adding your friends and then exploring the settings, or you can edit your profile. So that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.